welcome to Batangas Batch 5 Day 3. So, how does it feel na it's our last day na, guys? Kasi gusto mo extend. Bakit mo sa your room?
Build up the mga friendship, relationship,
or situationship. Ibabat na tayo sa learning's best friend. So before we start, let's have our chant and yell. So let's call on. When your tribe is called, please do your chant, okay? Let's start with Tribo Arise! Sige, 1 minute. 1. Sige, sir, hindi ka tribo nila. Tribo rin na. Sige, let's start with Tribo Capatres! Consistent jud ang energy, di ba, best friend?
Yes, best friend. Up next, let's have Tribo Bisaya. Bisaya, 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 Bisaya.
Wow, thank you so much, Tribo Bisaya. Next, we have Tribo Gasig. Nahang-over sa pool. Sige. Well, let's give it maraming thanks for Tribo Gasig! Brought some one for yesterday. Umaapoy, best friend.
Yes, very Indian guy. And now let's have Tribo Caparis.
Last but definitely not the least, we have Tribo Arise! Wow, thank you so much. Give yourself maraming taas, please. So now we're not gonna hold you much longer. Let's go on. Our aunties and kuya from Rocky!
Maayong buntag sa tanan! Isang Anon dyan! Si alright! Ako na yung mga alright! Health check! Kumusta man ang inyong mga gipamati na abay naglain ang lawas, ilatan ang ulo. So solid 100% ang health. Kaya na yung nagiging mga 75. Sige.
Okay, how about energy check? 150 0. Okay. Oh,
Ay, 200.
na 200. So I guess excited naman mo uli ang tanan? Di mo pa.
Extend. Yes. Hi, DILG. Extend. Hi. 1 week na. 1 week ang training.
So with that, we would like to invite everyone to please stand up and find a space.